Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And the one I'm doing this for, you can take this with a grain of salt. I don't like your Texas. My Texas looks better. I don't like the way it's lined up in your box. I like mine better. So this one for sure. If this is their logo, the way their logo looks, that's fine. And this isn't the best Texas you could pick. It's pretty good. It doesn't have the codes, but you could find those. I mean, I just went to the internet and picked Texas map silhouette. And, there's another one, and a lot of them are free, a lot of them are not. But anyway, so just take that with a grain of salt. But this is off. And the way I would do this, let's just move mine out of the way. And let's take this and group these two texts together. Control G. Now let's move those out of the way and let's just take a rectangle. You know what? There's even probably an easier way. We could take, so those lines aren't marked. Let's make a duplicate of this box. Whoop, hit the wrong one. So these lines aren't equal. Let's go ahead and weld this. So now we have a box. And because this is an angle, it's personal preference where you're going to start. But if I would take a 2-point line and go from there, but hold down the control button so you get that. And then the best way to do it to me is a Smart Fill tool. Left click or right click, bring it down to our text, and you can see where it's a little bit off. So then select your text first. Hold down the shift key and select your outline and go EC. Now I did move it more to one side, but it's even up and down. So we can actually get rid of that and let's put this back into our logo. And now the Lone Star on top and the Texas on the, so if you want to move it back over a little bit, that's personal preference. And I know I'm being a little picky here, but that is off quite a bit. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.